Hey guys, welcome today to the channel again. Really happy to have you here. So we're gonna get started with a cool new project I have for the Project Mustang. Today we're gonna be installing an Xpipe that I ordered for the car. I'll give you a few details right now when I unbox it, but excited to hear what it sounds like, and I'm gonna show you kind of like a install how-to on the car to see if it can help you guys out in case you need if you need a tutorial or if you need some help with like finding which Xpipe you want to go with. I kind of went through some research, so I'm going to share that with you guys. So anyways, this is going to be an install on my car today. Just to give you a recap, so the other day I lifted up the car, put it on jack stands, just to get some of the oil, some of the penetrating oil on the bolts that I think are going to be tough to get to. So I'm going to go through kind of some of the things that I did to help make this process a little bit better. So you can tell the factory Xpipe bolts up to the manifold through a flange up there. See if I can zoom in a little bit. So it's right up in there. So I sprayed those guys down. There on the other side, you can see also the O2 sensors. So the factory Xpipe is a little bit restrictive because of these catalytic converters. So I also sprayed down the flanges here where it mounts to the mid-pipe. In a previous video, you already saw that I put the axle backs, the Outlaws from Flowmaster. So anyways, I'm going to show you what it's like to replace these guys, and then I'm going to give you a before and after too. So I'll go to that point and show you a little bit about the Xpipe itself. Alright, here's that Xpipe assembly that I ordered from Amazon. This is an SLP brand Xpipe. It's obviously a catted Xpipe. As you can see here, they included the high flow catalytic converters. Just to give you a shot of what they look like, they're pretty, I don't know how to say it. I mean, I guess the stock catalytic converters are way more restrictive than these guys. As you know, the off-road Xpipes probably are a little bit better as far as restriction and performance, but because I live in California and I need a carb check every year, I decided to go with these guys. But this assembly wasn't too bad. It was only about $350 or so plus tax, so it wasn't too bad, and it looks like a good design. So I'm gonna show you a time lapse of me installing it, and then hopefully get some footage of the cold start, and then the rev, what it sounds like inside the car and outside the car. So here it is. Good simple setup. Also comes with the hardware. I think those are O2 extenders because the O2 sensors harnesses on the car probably won't reach these existing or these new mounting points. And you can see the flanges in there, so that should take care of that. So let's see what it looks like. Alright guys, installation is finished. As you can see, this is the old Xpipe that I took out. And these guys are what cause the biggest restrictions in stock units. So, yes, that's right, Lucy. So, it took me about an hour from taking these off to getting everything calibrated so it's sitting flush with where it needs to be. So I'm gonna give you a cold start real quick. I'm gonna record a back angle too over here, and let's just see what it sounds like. I'm excited. Alright, I thought I'd give you guys a little illustration to what the new Xpipe sounds like with the flow masters I installed a few weeks back, and came out to take the car out for a drive, so you can see what it sounds like in the inside of the cab running down some gears. Here's a little cold start for you. So not too bad. I think it sounds good inside, but still pretty loud on the outside. Just give it a few revs. So, sounds good. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing. Probably have more content coming up. You're watching this during quarantine period of this coronavirus. I'm sure you may want to see some other videos. I'm going to order some stuff for the car to install here in the next coming weeks. Let me know what I should work on. We'll see you guys later, and let me have my car sign off for you guys.